guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Geniuswigs, and they sent me this beautiful kinky curly wig, and in today's video the highlight will be the edges. As you can see, I'm giving very much natural edges. I didn't do any baby hairs, which was very new of me. Like normally if I'm not doing baby hairs, it's like a no baby hair, no edges, no nothing type of look, and now I'm giving edges but no baby hair. Yeah, I love it. Like even when I was on video call with this wig, everybody was saying like, oh, you have your hair out now, and I'm like, no, but I could put you on. But yeah, absolutely love it. Anyways, enough of that. Let's just jump into what they sent to me. So the wig came in this box, this beautiful blue box. At one point this was my favorite color. Well, actually turquoise was my favorite color, but then now I'm back to pink. And it's so funny, before my godmom died, she was trying to get me to love pink, and I just hated it. My hair still rest in peace. I hated it. I just couldn't get myself to love pink. I know I love pink. I don't know, weird. So they sent me some information which I will be reading about the wig and some little goodies. So they sent me some clip, edge brush, stocking cap which I didn't use, elastic band, and some headscarf to tie. In the bag, I put the wig in when I am done wearing it. So this wig is a 13 by 6.5 lace front wig, 24 inches, 200 density crystal lace. Like, where is the lace? Where is the lace? Let me know. The only thing you could probably see right now is the concealer that I put in the middle of the parting, but where's the lace? Where? So they sent me a crystal lace, and this is 200 density wig, and it is very thick. When it's dried and like poofy, it's almost like, sis, where are you going with this much hair? Yeah, this is how the wig is looking. 24 inches, like I said, and it pretty much catches me on my breast, literally resting on my breast. But I did go ahead and I did trim it a little bit. This part needs to be trimmed a little more. So here, so I did go ahead and I trimmed it a little bit, not a lot. And yeah, so it's right above my breast pretty much, and the thickness is definitely giving, definitely. Like what? So yeah, this is the wig and what they sent to me inside the package. I do have a coupon code, so it will be down in the description box. If you guys want to purchase it, definitely check down below in the description box. But yeah, let's just jump right into the video. So this is how the wig is looking. It has the little baby hairs, or the edges. It's not baby hair, actually, it's their edges, okay? Don't get it twisted. So you're not really supposed to make them, type of thing. Like, it's not supposed to be neat, it's supposed to be giving natural vibe. So I'm going to be installing the wig. Actually, when I was bleaching this hair, I really forgot that the edges were already thin, and some of the hair actually came out, as you can see. So be very careful when you're bleaching it, because I did actually take out some of the hair. Not too much, but I did, and I only realized that after. So when you're bleaching it, please be careful. But this is how the wig is looking. So the inside of the wig is looking. Comes with straps and everything, so it can definitely be glueless. I'm wondering if I'm going to make it glueless. I'm not sure as yet. When I put it on my head, then I will definitely figure out what I'm going to do. But for now, this is the wig, freshly bleached and pretty much just washed, and that is it, nothing else. So yeah, let's see.
Your smile, your style is so fly, I can't deny. got a crush on you, and that's true, and I'm digging you. Make me believe that your love is mine, and a million goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love, goes on and on and on. Give me a really good feeling all day long. I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a wine and a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a wine and a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Mitch, Junior want to not be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell 'em, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior want to not be on my, Junior want to not be on my, tell 'em this, Diddy Mitch, Junior want to not be on my, I can't really see where did I miss, Junior want to not be on my, Junior want to not be on my, all summer, all summer, $4-5, in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the store and now it's like we planned it. Junior want to not be on my, Junior want to not be on my, tell him this, Diddy Mitch, Junior want to not be on my, I can't really see where did I miss, Junior want to not be on my, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, we took both, we took both, we took both, we took both, born in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got standards, excuse my manners, I got standards, I got status, you want steady, see more comments, and I see commas, they gon' tell me, we going down to, let me be honest, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, spirit is on us, spirit is down to, God's time can't fit on the wrist, Junior wanna have me on my, move out of the way of my release, trying to get me off my cues and peace, why can't losers never lose in peace, ain't nobody around me losing sleep, better find God before he find me, tell the devil good night, go to sleep. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew aside, all the niggas round me, died and they died, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a son and friendship. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside, PT. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in an
Right outside, PT. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Cause I'm about that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. In the girl, them hurt, dirt, 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 dirt. Drive me a dessert. Let the devil lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken with love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Cause I'm about that work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. When you walk out, da, 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 da. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the street.
Okay guys, so I was a bit worried as to how to do the edges because I know it's supposed to look very natural. You're not supposed to like define it in a way. Like you're not supposed to pretty much do baby hairs with them because it's supposed to give natural, right? So this is what I did. To be honest, I didn't know what to do. Just because even for my natural baby hairs, I normally do baby hairs with them, or my natural edges, I normally do baby hairs with them. But because this video is pretty much to highlight the naturalness of the edges, I decided to just leave it like that. So I'm gonna leave it like so and just call it a night, because if I stay here trying to figure this out, I'm going to stress and I'm not about to stress. So this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Do not forget to check the website out if you want to purchase this wig. They are having a Black Friday sale on their website. I think they're having up to 50% off right now, so if you wanna get one of these wigs, then definitely head on over to the website to grab one. And I think it's one of their lowest prices right now. Like everything on the website, pretty much 50% off everything. Why not? Like, why not grab it right now? But yeah, oh yeah, remember I do have a discount code, so if you guys want to purchase the wig, then definitely use my code so you can get an extra 15% off. Is it? Yeah, so they have a 50% Black Friday sale going on right now, plus my 15% off code. Yeah, so they have a 50% off discount going on right now on their website, and I also have a coupon code that you guys could use to get more money off, so why not? Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.